Alright guys, we need to get into ApeCoin here. We haven't gotten into ApeCoin in a while. It hasn't really been that exciting. As you can see, the action, if I put this on the daily chart, you can see that pretty much we were sideways for months, guys, basically since like July. So you can see that's like 3 months of sideways action here, with a dip down even to like 47.5 cents or so. And since then, we've pretty much been making higher lows, so that's a good thing to see on the chart, guys. If I show you, like, here's a low, here's the next higher low, here's the next. We're making really slight higher lows. Now, yesterday, we basically broke out of a 2-year long trend. Now, I only extended this trend line, but basically this trend line was here for a long time. I think probably my last video, or at least the last video, maybe even the last couple of videos on ApeCoin. But as you can see, if I zoom out, guys, this trend line goes all the way back right here, August of 2022. You can see we tried to break out February of 23. We even tried to break out, as you can see here, in March. And basically, we haven't really been close since then. So yesterday was a very big day for ApeCoin. You can see that we broke this trend. That's excellent. That is, the biggest news, basically, in the crypto space, I can say, that ApeCoin has finally broken its trend. I mean, for 2 years, it's just been going down, guys. Now, the reason for this is this news here, the launch of ApeChain. So what does this mean, guys? So basically, it's just, it isn't just another blockchain, but it is, okay, it is a blockchain, but it offers faster transactions, lower fees, and a platform for developers to build apps directly integrated into the Ape ecosystem. Now, if I scroll down, the impact on the price, well, this was 9 hours ago, but Ape is actually over 1 billion right now. So it's really boosted, the confidence in investors and crypto, people, I mean, in this coin today. Say that, basically ApeChain is a good, step in the right direction for ApeCoin, but this is not really why people are here. People are here for their metaverse. So basically, okay, I think people can see from this action, ApeCoin is not dead. So yeah, great, but we need the metaverse. Now, okay, basically, what does this mean for investors and the crypto space? Basically, we're going to have short-term gains, like it says, but the long-term value will depend on how well this network is adopted. Yeah, I mean, it could drive Ape further if people really want to build on this ecosystem. Now, we can also take our tokens and start staking, and earning native yield on Ape and various other stablecoins and even ETH. So that's a good thing to see. We can do it actively. We can participate actively in their ecosystem like this. And ApeChain highlights the growing trend towards specialized blockchains, chains, not tains, and layer 2 or 3 solutions that aim to improve scalability and cut costs. So, yeah, I mean, this is, why it's good for the investors, why it's good for the crypto space. I'm not a very technical person when it comes to blockchains and how it works and things like this, but yeah, you can read this yourself if you go to, I think this is on, CoinMarketCap. But yeah, guys, excellent news, for ApeCoin. So Now, if we take a look, I don't know what's wrong with my words today, but if we take a look at ApeCoin, they have 1 billion max supply, guys. Now, 72% of this is already circulating. So you can already see how fast ApeCoin moves just by today. Right now it's up about 100%. It's been up as much as 125% today. And yeah, guys, ApeCoin is going to be a very good coin, especially if they can get that metaverse out by the end of the bull run. Let's take a quick look at Bitcoin here, and let's see what's going on with it. Now, Bitcoin today has just been going kind of sideways, I can say. I do have Ape here again, so I need to get Bitcoin. Actually, we need to take a quick look at ApeCoin a little bit more here. So it's kind of good it did go back to ApeCoin. Now, I forgot to mention we have broken 3 resistances already. We are falling under this weekly resistance here at about $1.55. So, we've already broken, like I said, 3 daily resistances here. I don't know how many more we're going to break just off this news, but it's a start, guys. So we'll see if we can get above this line, $1.55, before the end of the night, and we start a new week. So anyways, guys, just keep these, resistances in mind. Now, we didn't really come back to touch the 87 cents, nor the $1.11 or $1.35, at least on the daily time frame. So if we look at the 4-hour, let me zoom a little bit. Now, yeah, we have not come back to touch and, retest these as supports on the 4-hour. Now, the 1-hour, okay, we did retest 87, but nothing else basically. Well, maybe you can say $1.35 here has been retested with this candle here. If I zoom, you can see. So yeah, on the 1-hour chart, it has been retested, but that is not a long-term time frame, guys. If I go out and I go to Bitcoin real quick here, guys, Bitcoin is actually surging up today. It is looking a little better. Let's see, this is the hour chart. Let me put this on the daily chart. So you can see we're getting a green candle today. We are coming above this, resistance right now at 68.5, let's call it. And yeah, we're right there. So we'll see if we break it or not. Now, there is such thing as creating a CME gap, but I don't personally believe too much in CME gaps. So yeah, we'll see if we do come back down to where we left off basically on Friday at about, well, it was about $100 less, guys. So it's not a very large CME gap. I wouldn't worry too much about it at this point. So yeah, let's see what happens with Bitcoin. So far, so good, guys. It looks very bullish. Dominance at the moment. If we take a quick look at this chart, it is coming down quite a bit. You can see it is, dropping like a rock all day today. Thing to really see, guys. So economic calendar, basically, if we take a look at this week, I think Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are going to be just dry days, we can say. I know Thursday did have a little bit of action here. You do have jobless claims, you do have PMI, and then Friday you do have core durable goods and Michigan numbers here. So yeah, there's not too much going on this week, but Thursday, Friday, a little bit important. Now, if we take a quick look here at, let's see, the fear and greed, let me update this. I don't think it's updated. Yeah, okay, it's still 73. Okay, yesterday was 72. I thought it was 73 yesterday, actually. But anyways, basically the same. We haven't really moved anyways. If you look at the chart, we've been stuck under this resistance here the past couple of days. So yeah, that's why, fear and greed hasn't really moved. Now, altcoin index, let's see if I can update this. Still 29, but it is coming up. Yesterday, I think it was about a 27. So it's good to see it starting to move towards altcoin season a little bit. Quick look here at crypto bubbles. You can see ApeCoin 108% up. That's a huge bubble, guys. Let's see if this can continue. Like I said, when you do see pumps this big, usually there is a large fallback. Now, I don't know if this, is going to give investors so much confidence, or if there's going to be a lot of profit takers here in the short term, and we're going to get that fallback. So I do warn you, if you're going to get into ApeCoin at this point, it's a little bit risky. You might want to wait until it cools off and see where it falls back. So like I said, there's these resistances here, actually supports at this moment. We do have a resistance here on the weekly time frame at the $1.55 that we're fighting right now. But yeah, you might want to wait, guys. It is a little bit overheated, I would say. I'm going to stake your ApeCoin here. You can go to Coinondo and you can take a look here, guys. Now, Bit2Me is a little bit tricky, as I've told people before. You do have to have their coin, and you have to have quite a bit of it to get this 24%. Binance, they give, 17% now. I'm a little bit surprised on that. XT.com giving 16.8. But you don't want to lock your coins up for too long, guys. Like I always tell people at this point in the bull run, short term is best. BitGet is actually not listed here, and that's where I have mine. And I think I'm getting like 14%, and I'm getting it unlocked like every 14 days, guys. So check that out. But yeah, you can take a look here yourself. So yeah, anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you on ApeCoin here and Bitcoin at the moment. Now, be careful with this coin. I do have it, and I do say that it's going to be an excellent coin. Be a little bit careful, especially at this point when it's pumped more than 100%, guys. So if you've already grabbed ApeCoin, great, especially if you got it down at these levels. Now you can see my average, I'm still under my average, so I'm still at a loss here. But, it doesn't really matter to me, guys. I think this coin is $20 to $25 at least, probably this bull run, especially with this low of a circulating supply and this, max supply only being about 1 billion. That's all I got for you. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot for supporting the channel.